Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I have 3 new sticker books that are releasing from Mojo Jojoplans. These are date sticker books. So I'm going to be flipping through these. It looks like it's a black version, and then we have a rainbow version here, and then a jewel tone version. So these are going to be releasing today. I wanted to go over the info first. So we have the dates sticker books. That's what these are called. They are $24 plus shipping. This option will also have 2 additional add-on options, which I'm assuming are what these are. We have these month stickers here. These are clear, so you could put these on the tabs of an undated planner, which I really like that idea. And then we have the years here that you can choose from as well, in a couple of different font styles in the color schemes. Okay, so those are the options, and there's gonna also be some bundles. 2026 bundle includes date sticker sheets. Okay, so you could do these in a bundle if you're interested in getting just these. So definitely check out all the options over on this site, because there's lots of things releasing this time around. And I like that these are extra bits that you can get to date your undated planners however you need them, if you're redating a planner. So let's go over the black version first. Okay, so I have to edit this in because I messed up explaining this release part of what's going to be available. So the date, this version with just the black print, this one is 42 pages, it's $24, and this will have 2 additional add-on options that you can pick from. So this is the black one right here. So I'm thinking that's what the add-on is, that you can add on if you want to for the months right here. I think this is the one that you can add on if you want to add the years on. So there's that. And then next we have the rainbow dates. This one is 45 pages, so it's a little bit bigger than the black one. And this one's going to be 25. This one also has an additional add-on option. Okay, so this one has an additional add-on option, which I'm assuming is going to be this one here. If you want to add it on. Yeah, that's what it seems like. So it's for the years. So it's nice that the years are separate, because sometimes I've had date books that have had the years in them and then it's already past the years, so you can't use those. So I like that this is just like a little sheet that you can add on to this. So in the future you can get this book and then just do like an add-on for the 2027 year. Okay, so there's the rainbow one, and then the jewel toned book. This one's not as big as the other books. So this one's 35 pages. This one's going to be $22 plus shipping, and this will have an additional add-on too, which are, looks like it's on these styles here with the colors. So definitely check out the options. Make sure you check out the add-on options so you can see your options when you are ordering. There's going to be bundles too, so you can bundle up these things. You won't be able to use discounts on those though, because they're usually reduced pricing if you bundle. And the bundles, I believe, yeah, the bundles will have options where you can bundle this stuff all together. So like I said, check out the site and see how these bundles work and these extra add-ons work, so you can see which options that you can purchase. But yeah, I just wanted to go over that really quick because I realized towards the end of the video that I kind of messed up in explaining this. So yeah, just want to make sure I gave what information I understood to you at this point. But that is going to be that part, and I'll go into the flip through now. Okay, so these are, how many pages were these? 42 pages of stickers. Oops, I just hit my light. So 42 pages of stickers. So first, and these are all going to be black print. So we have the days of the week, the months, and then we have some numbers that you can use to date. the holidays here. Birthday, first day of summer, hello summer, Hanukkah, Good Friday, Tax Day, Mardi Gras. Then you have all these little, I love these because then you can use these on your little minis or your monthlies. So lots of little ones here. Here's the next font style. So you get a few different font styles in these books. And then the month or the holidays, important dates, and then the little ones. Okay, next font style. The months and the numbers. I like this nice clean one right here. Okay, so this one next. You have some abbreviated months too, which is nice. If there's a couple options. The numbers, the important dates, and then the little ones. Okay, so here's the next font style. More of a script. Okay, next one. Oh, I like this lettering too. That one's pretty. Okay, the months. Oops, sorry. Getting hard for me to flip through the book. Okay. The dates. The important dates. The little mini days. And then that is it. Okay, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 font styles in this book. Okay, so I'm assuming all the font styles and the way it's set up is going to be the same in these upcoming books, but they're just going to be different colors. So this is rainbow, so we'll go over the different colors in this one. So in this one you get red, then the orange, and this yellow, green, blue, purple, then pink, and then you have all the colors here, all the rainbow colors here with all the little dates, and then the holidays, important dates, and then we go into the next one, the next font. Okay, so you get all the colors for this font. Okay, next font with red and the orange, the yellow and green, blue and purple, pink, and then the important dates. Okay, next font. And the blue, and then the purple and pink. The important dates, Valentine's Day. That's cute. Okay, here's the scripty font. And green, and the blue, and purple. I feel like this one doesn't have all the fonts that the black one did because obviously this has more colors it needs to go through. So let's see, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Was that all the fonts? Maybe it was. I just feel, oh no, this one's the one that they didn't have. I feel like I had all the other ones except for that one. Okay, so there's dates in the rainbow. And then next we have Jewel Tone, which actually this one is 35 stickers. Okay, so this one is 35 pages. Oh, okay, sorry, I miss. So, okay, let me go over the numbers. So, I messed this up. So, this one was 42 pages. This one's $24 for this book. This one is 45 pages. So, this one's $25 for this dated one. And this one, okay, I'm going to go over some things because I messed up on explaining these things. And then this one is actually, I think I might just edit it in. I'll explain it. I'll edit it in. But this one's the Jewel Tone. This one is 35 pages, yeah, because it felt slimmer. This is $22. All right, I'm just going to flip through this, and then we'll see the pretty Jewel Tone colors. All right, so this feels like fall right there. Then we got the greens and blues. These pretty Jewel Tones, the blues and the purples and the grays. All right, then you get the numbers. And then the important dates. Okay, next font style. These colors are good to use for right now with the fall and like the holidays. I love using these kind of colors. They're so pretty. All right, next one in this more scripty font. Okay. And then the important dates. Next font. Okay, and then this is the last font. And the little numbers here. And then the, I just realized it said, goodbye fall, goodbye spring, goodbye summer, goodbye winter. That's funny. Okay, and that is the Jewel Tone the dates. All right, so that's 3 sticker books, and then of course all the add-ons that you can choose from. So that's exciting. But that is going to be the release for Mojo Jojoplans today. So affiliate link is down in the description. My discount code is down there as well. I think you can use it. You can use it on anything except for bundles, the discount code. So bundles, it won't work, but everything else it will work on. But that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed watching as I flip through all these things. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.